Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Shazam. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Shazam and we click here in this page. Then we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about Shazam. And then here you will update your app if you find the update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.